Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roma and we just do random stuff on here. I don't really know. It is what it is, okay? But today, apparently when I was editing my video, I didn't have an intro, so this is the intro. Today we are going to be making a fancy schmancy modern 3 TV set. Sorry, that's a horrible title. I don't know. I'm not good at titles. But we're going to be doing a whole wall of 3 digital displays, but it's not going to be a normal TV. I want the TVs to be in portrait mode, okay? So it's going to be flipped upside down. When I started this, I thought it was going to be easy, right? To do that. Come to find out, these TVs do not flip, and if you actually want one of them that are portrait mode, it's like $1,500, which I don't have, and I'm not doing $1,500 times 3. So in this video, you'll see a breakdown of all the stuff we bought, how much it cost, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think, and let's get into it. We're in Lowe's now. We gotta find some washers to make this 3-piece board set over the windows so we can put up little like TV displays and stuff. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Duran's trying to grab the last little stuff. I feel like we always forget stuff.
This is how an Oxford project goes, baby.
Do you know exactly what you're getting?
Well, I'm looking for a couple of really big screws that are gonna go and like facet those to the wall.
So we already painted the wood. We just bought 3 TVs yesterday, and then we went to Harbor Freight and got TV mounts for like $15 each, which was really good. This is the last final trip we're about to go check out now, and then try to put these out.
Yes.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
We will need another power strip and probably an extension cord.
Bro, we buy. How do we not have enough?
We have to use those all the time.
Okay, JK, we're gonna go grab that, but then we're gonna go check out. So here's the space we're working with. These windows are just super random, so we're gonna cover them up and put TVs in each of these spots. Those boards were so freaking heavy. Good thing Jaren's good at carrying heavy stuff, because listen, no help. But I think it looks good so far. So there's a little sliver right there. And then at the top, we're gonna put lights, everything. So I'm excited. Hopefully the TVs look good and we can mount them. So 1, 2, 3 across. It's coming together, guys. Well, JK, these TVs don't flip to landscape mode. So we're gonna have to go back to Walmart and try to find some. Okay, listen, it may be weeks later, but we have it done. Life has just been crazy, as you have probably been through it too. But we have it all done. I'm about to show you guys the final reveal. It turned out so good. I think the total cost for wood and TVs and everything was under $500. And that's only because wood is so expensive, and we got really heavy duty wood to hang it up. And then we just bought a 42-inch TV. I think it was like $150, I think, or $130. And then 2 32-inch from Walmart for $100. So let's go check it out. Voila!
Voila! Alright.
That did not work very well. Yep, it's recorded.
Okay.
But you can put your arms down.
No, because no, put them back
the
on.
whole thing's fucked. It's already on.
Because then you're gonna do a clip. The goal was to go voila. I was gonna go like this, and then they were gonna be on, and then I was gonna go like this, and then.
Listen, this is like a 3-week video.
Yeah, so
it's been a struggle, but here's what it looks like, guys. I think it looks really good. So what you have to do, obviously, is flip it upside down, okay? When you flip it upside down, what I did was I took a USB and I made the video upside down in my Premiere. And I'll show you. Oh my God, shut up. The USB is plugged into it, and then you just go down to Media Player or Zoom. And so it's like that. It looks so good. Okay, I want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, look, there you are. I want to show you guys what they all look like, because I did portfolios in the middle, coffee menu, and then ads. Boom! I think it looks so good. You know, the coffee menu with everything up there. I did on Canva. And then I did these with Canva and put it on Premiere. Like I said, I just flipped it so the video is upside down so it plays normal on here. Then our little ads on the side. But it looks so cute. Aren't you excited? I made it all bougie. And then we have wisteria flowers we're gonna hang from here. I just ordered them, so I might do a video on them if you guys care and want to see what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this little adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, bye.